Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is I Says Open Sesame or Quantal. This time around, I Says Open Sesame because yes. So today is a video specifically for the people already on my server, and it is the OP game kit. Now this kit can be purchased for 25 netherite blocks, and you may be asking, why is it so expensive? So everything in my hotbar besides the cactus and the milk, which we will get to, is included in the kit. So with the cactus and the milk, this is how you will pay for whatever you decide. So if you decide to buy, you will pay by throwing your netherite blocks into this cactus because they cannot be burned by lava, and my main account will not be receiving the payment. This is something for my admin account only. And the milk is just for demonstrational purposes so I can show you how the potions work. So, these aren't normal potions, as you probably would assume for an OP kit. I have some others that are, but these are not. We have the Potion of Trolling. You can see its effects there. It's very nice. Yes. And the Potion of Instant Death with potency 125 of instant health. Weird, yeah, I know. But we'll get to it. Now, typically you would only get one, but I'm going to give you two of these for this because I'm running a special or something. I don't know. It's probably just going to be two. I've decided. And then we have our 3 shulker boxes. Fun things, tools, and gear. Starting off with gear, we have a lot of OP things, as you can see, but it gets worse. So, most mundane thing really is probably our cooked pork chops. Best food source in the game, regular food source in the game, I should say. Then enchanted golden apples, you get a full stack of these things. I'm going to skip this hoe for now. We'll get back to it, don't worry. Firework, flight duration 3 rockets. A shield. I'm going to forget to use this. Unbreaking 3 and mending. We have leather boots with a bunch of enchantments. The silence trim emerald material. This is for if you're walking on powdered snow or you want Frostwalker for some ungodly reason. You have it. These golden leggings are for if you need to barter with piglins. They also have good enchants, silence armor trim emerald material. We have our turtle shell. Same armor trim, same material. All the good enchants for infinite water breathing, of course. And our elytra. Now, I messed up when I was making the elytra. Yes, that is Frostwalker 2 and Protection 4. No, neither of them work. Feather Falling works for some reason. Don't ask me why. It just does. And then we have our bow. Nice name, as always, yes. Good enchants. I don't ever use this thing, but you might. So, you can change the name if you actually do use it. We have our trident here. Lovely name as before. Freebird, because it's riptide and you get to fly around. 3 different totems of undying. We will get to the armor momentarily. Why did I make this? Which is something I actually spent netherite doing. The only thing I know for real was Silk Touch. The rarely useful one, the actually useful one. The Lorax. The Enderman Farmer. And the Throngler. Because, there's only one way to get Throngled. Now, moving on to the armor, we have some pretty interesting enchants on it. Like that, and that, and that, and that. It's the best armor that you can make without commands or anything. And now we're moving on to what I skipped over. This elusive thing. This is Smoking on the Ops. With 51 attack damage, very good enchants, it will get the job done. In fact, let us test it for you. Let me find... I'm sorry in advance, PETA, but they're just gone. It deletes them. It's pretty cool. I like it. It also gives you a lot of resources. That is a lot of resources. I was a bit hesitant about putting this in there, but I think I made the right decision, I'd say. I mean, you're always going to need another one of these ultra powerful weapons. Moving on to tools. We have 3 stacks of ender pearls. We have good potions. We have bad arrows. We have more totems. Pretty self-explanatory for here. And for our last shulker, we have the other fun things. Starting from the right going to the left, we have templates in case you need them, don't know why. Music discs in case you would like them. Water, lava, cobwebs, more rockets because you can never really have enough. Just some blocks, just cobbled deep slate, nothing fancy. A brush, wolf armor in case you wanted it. Flint and steel, bunch of TNT, bunch of end crystal. Actually, so I do have to say, these are banned. You can use them, but if you use them, you're going to get banned. So, why would I not want to put them in here if I'm going to get you banned for using them? Yeah. Okay. Moving on. I'm going to ask if anyone's free to help me test something. Okay, looks like we have a poor unfortunate soul. So this loner will be our test person. And I'm just going to provide you with milk. In fact, I'm going to provide you with 2. Actually, you don't even need 2 milks. We're going to test out this potion of trolling. So as you can see, it's pretty fun. It does a lot. He left. If I drink my milk bucket, I'll go back to normal. Oops. That was not intended to have happened. Yeah, so that may or may not happen. Gotta always be careful. Yeah. So if you notice, I am in creative, and I just died. But that was my showcase of this thing. Very fun, very useful, I would have to say. But it is quite costly. Alright, that is all. I hope you have a good day.